An outdated kitchen can make even the simplest daily tasks feel frustrating. That was the reality for this family in the Landings on Skidaway Island. Dark, cramped, and uninspiring, their kitchen wasn't just inefficient, it was a space they wanted to hide from guests, not gather in. After a year of frustration, they decided enough was enough. It was time to create the inviting, functional space they deserved. With a vision of bright, modern elegance, they transformed the kitchen into a luminous masterpiece, featuring Shiloh flush inset cabinetry in a crisp polar white finish and a warm, natural white oak island. The white oak flooring tied everything together in seamless luxury. One of the most exciting features? A hidden scullery door, seamlessly integrated into the cabinetry, leading to a tucked-away walk-through pantry, a very sought-after feature in kitchen design today. This space keeps countertop appliances and dry goods out of sight, maintaining the sleek, clutter-free aesthetic of the main kitchen. What was once a dark, frustrating space is a bright, welcome hub. It's more than just a kitchen, it's a place for conversations, for gathering, for creating memories. Because every home deserves a kitchen that feels like the heart of the home. At Kitchen Design Solutions, we're honored to help families bring their vision to life, one beautiful kitchen at a time.